Buenos dias, amigos, from Cuastecomates, Mexico. I'm Tommy Lasco, and my wife Sherry and I are going to show you today in this video how you can come to a beautiful beach that's not crowded. The waves are flat, very swimmable. It's a handicap-oriented, friendly beach for disabled people, or they have a boardwalk, and it's a very nice community. Only a hop and skip and jump away from Malake. And we're going to show you how to get here. We took a taxi cab today to get here, and we're going to show you how to get here by cab. It's only like a 70 peso ride. So we're going to take the cab, and ¿cómo es tu nombre?
Abraham.
Abraham. Okay, me llamo Tommy, and mi esposa is Sherry.
Okay,
Tommy.
Sherry, Tom.
Abraham. And Abraham's going to drive us to Cuastecomates.
Yes, good morning.
Okay, gracias.
Okay.
Okay, folks, we're coming up to the town here of Cuastecomates, which is named after a fruit tree called the tomate fruit tree. And it's not an edible fruit, but Cuaste means coast, so it's like this particular fruit grows along the coast. Here we are. This is the main drag here in town. And it's a handicap-friendly see-it-all. Yeah. Yeah, key is bueno. Yeah, this should be good. Okay, Abraham. Okay, we're at almost at the end of the boardwalk here. It's about 11 o'clock in the morning. It's been raining the last 2 days, so, and it's what day of the week is it? Let's see, it's Tuesday, so it's not real crowded yet. We try to go during the week when it's not as crowded, because the weekend's packed out. Well, for a handicap friendly, they need to do some more work on repairing these boards here. You could really trip if you're not paying attention. So, but they're trying. They're trying to make it handicap friendly. There's a hotel at the end of the street. Right? It looks pretty calm. Pretty good for swimming. Well, we've got a table situated here, and Sherry's scoping it out, the beach. Checking it out, but we'll probably come to this restaurant. Okay, hola amigos.
This is
Esta is Carmen. She's going to be our waiter today.
Yes,
and she doesn't speak any English, but we are going to communicate and do our very best. So gracias, Carmen, and nosotros, how do you say order?
We're going to eat comemos.
Comemos in the cerca futuro.
In más tarde.
Yeah, and maybe 30 minutos más o menos. We'll let you know. Okay, gracias. Gracias. Here is the menu in Spanish, but they do have tacos, they have hamburgers, so that sounds pretty good.
Oh, no, grazie. Now I'm going to show you the beach here. It's a small bay.
Do a panorama.
I'm going to do a panoramic of the beach. Several, not a real long beach. How long would you say it is, Tommy?
Half a mile or 3/4 mile, probably half a mile, maybe 300 yards or something.
Kind of a lazy. The water is real calm because it's a bay, and the waves are very small. So it's easy to swim here.
the hotel here. Another edge of the town of Cuastecomates. Panorama.
Nice little sleepy town.
Yes. This town is for all. Este pueblo es para todos.